Hello friends, my friend was traveling in a car and it was not a very well lit road, and yet he had kept his lights on the low beam. You can see a bright light in the background and suddenly out of the darkness an animal emerges. Before he could realize, he had hit the animal and the animal fell on the bonnet and the windscreen of the car. The bonnet got seriously damaged and the windscreen got shattered. Speed was not very high, but the situation turned dangerous because of the low visibility. Had he been a little faster, the animal would have been sitting next to him. Look closely, the animal looks like a horse, but we don't see horses so often on the road. How did that horse land in the middle of the road in the middle of the night? Or maybe it wanted a ride, baby. Luckily, neither the car nor the animal were hurt seriously. The animal tumbled twice and then it was back on its feet and just ran away. The car sustained damage to its windscreen and its bonnet. The bright light in the background must have blinded the driver. So, when it is dark, ride slower. Remember, you can only go as fast as you can see. On roads with one-way traffic or highways, or roads with poor illumination, use the high beam. Now let me show you few of the pictures that demonstrate the damage to the car.